So we want to continue with our coverage and we want to cross over to Eldoret, where my colleague Elvis Kosgei is joining me from. Elvis, talk to us about what's happening there. We understand that there are cabinet secretaries who are there to, is it plant trees or cut trees?
Thank you very much, Betty. Indeed, I'm at Kaptagat Forest in Elgeyo Marakwet County, and we are expecting Treasury CS Henry Rotich and his environment counterpart, Judy Wahungu, but unfortunately they were not able to make it. But we have several PSs here, and also the Elgeyo Marakwet Governor, Alex Tolgos, including the PS of Trade, Dr. Chris Kipto. Maybe let's talk to Alex Tolgos, the Governor of Elgeyo Marakwet County. We are here today for conservation efforts in the Kaptagat forest. I'm aware that the forest has been degraded for a long time.
Thank you so much. I think this is a very important exercise for us, Elgeyo Marakwet County and Uasin Gishu. And we want to appreciate the team from the national government, led by the PS Environment, our PS Trade, and PS Water, and PS Technical Training for joining us in today's exercise. We are planting trees at Kaptagat Forest, where it's the main source of water to Uasin Gishu County, and also the mega project which was done to supply water to Iten, which we witnessed the other day during the long throw that we were not able to supply water to Iten because all the rivers dried. So it's an effort that will ensure that our Kaptagat forest is restored. And I appreciate, because this is an effort where all the stakeholders, the county governments, the national government, and also the local community, the schools have been involved. And I think it's an exercise which needs to be an ongoing exercise. And also I'm requesting the team from the national government that this should be made an yearly event so that we can take Kaptagat Forest to where it used to be.
Okay. We also maybe talk to us about these conservation efforts. I'm aware that it's a major tower that serves Uasin Gishu and also Elgeyo Marakwet, including the Kerio Valley.
As you are aware, we have 5 major water towers in Kenya. Cherangany, where we are, is part of Cherangany water tower. The other one is Mountain Elgon, Aberdares, Mountain Kenya, and Mau Forest. So Kaptagat is within the Cherangany water tower, which supplies water not only to Uasin Gishu and Elgeyo Marakwet counties, but also we rely on this tower on the site of Kerio Valley. So it is a very important conservation effort. We in the water services look at conservation as our cardinal duty to ensure that we conserve the environment, because without conservation, we will not be able to make people access water. A very important project which we have in this region is the Iten Sabor Water Project, which the government has pumped close to 2 billion. And therefore, in order to ensure that we supply water 12 months in a year, there is need to conserve the environment. And that's why we are here today, to plant more trees and to protect the catchment area.
Okay. Betty, we also have a major stakeholder, Dr. Chris Kipto. Talk to us about these conservation efforts.
Thank you very much. I've been part of the organizing team for this event, and I'm very happy that there's a large turnout. The idea, the whole objective is to make sure that we rally the people to conserve Kaptagat Forest. We have dubbed this Operation Save Kaptagat Forest. And for me, I'm involved in 2 ways, because one, I am a resident of this area, and I grew up from around this area, and I have seen this forest degrade. And in another aspect also, I chair a board for St. Patrick's Iten, and while in Iten we required water, and that's how we worked with the Ministry of Environment to get that 1.8 billion project that is called Sabor Iten Tambach Water Project. And also in Eldoret town, the water demand is increasing every day. There are many factories, many industries, flower farms that are there, all depending on water. And even the people in Eldoret also require water. That high population is putting heavy pressure on the need for water. Yet when you look at the rivers, River Soshoni, whose sources from Kaptagat Forest, the water has really gone to lower levels. So we are here to make sure that we all begin an operation to plant indigenous trees in this forest. And we are all working together with our colleagues in various ministries. Madam Makima is just around here. I think she's going to join us shortly. She's going to be the chief guest for today, representing her cabinet secretary, Honorable Judy Wahungu. And I know also CS Rotich is supposed to be joining us shortly. And I just want to say this is an event. We are going to make it annual. And in fact, next year we'll make it even much bigger than we have done it today. And just want to also repeat that this is a source of water to Lake Victoria and also Lake Turkana on the other side of Keyo. And we have to do something because there's livelihoods of people in those counties all depend on this water from this region. So I would like maybe my colleague, Madam Mokima, to also put her voice to this.
She's a minute because I'm told our time is up.
Okay. Yeah, yes. As you all know, the Rift Valley is the breadbasket of this country. And Kaptagat Forest is also a major source of water, not only for the people around Uasin Gishu and Elgeyo Marakwet, but also for our Lake Victoria and beyond up to Egypt. So we are here working together with the athletes, and this is a champion region, to see how we can inculcate the conservation culture and tell the world that Kenya is not only good at running and winning the athletics, but they are also very good at the conservation agenda at the global level.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll talk to you later at the later event. Of course, Betty, we're keeping an eye on what will be happening here in Elgeyo Marakwet County, where we're also expecting Uasin Gishu Governor Jackson Mandago to attend later in this event of conserving the...
All right, thank you very much, Elvis Koskei, reporting from Kaptagat Forest. There's going to